This is Travis. This is my Travis Road.
Basta na. Ano? Yun na. Travis! Wow!
Guys, my bag from yesterday. I took the Skittles and I was sneaking and I tricked my mommy and they took the Skittles.
Yeah, and I have no choice but to buy it, guys, because if not, he's gonna have a bad temper.
Oh,
What? What?
oh my goodness.
What?
There's an
Guys, look how cool Travis Alexander is here. Look, side view na, side view.
my goodness.
What?
Guys, look at it. Real Skittles.
Wow. Can I have some?
Yes, you
Give me. Just one lang. Is your hand clean? Okay. Taste it. Ah, it's not chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah, try it. Get one. Hindi pa gaano ha. Get one.
Chocolate.
It's a candy chocolate. Kauna, Trab. So good. Right? Ay, di ko. Kauna, nagpinabakal. It's not a chocolate.
Yun na nga akong tupik.
No water pa. Kita mo lang ka. Chocolate to. Sabi ko man chocolate. Hindi ka yan. Wala.